All right. So for this Nomad Sculpt video, we are going to do a simple lamp. As you can see, we have the top, the side, and the kind of like three-dimensional view. We're going to add the light bulb we would like to. So let's get started. Let's get rid of this first. Scene, delete. We're going to do a cylinder to start off our bottom section. So cylinder, front, right? Make it pretty thin like this. That's fine. Enter. Then we are going to do copy. Go up, right about there. Make it super thin. Oh, go top. That's good. All right, then go to your side, front. Actually should make it pretty thinner. So let's go top. That's about it. All right. Front. All right, that should be good. Okay. Then let's add another cylinder. This will be like the base here. Right there. Go up. Front. Okay, that's good. Validate. Then we add another cylinder. Honestly, it's a bunch of cylinders for the most part. Cylinder. Make this one have a hole. Make it pretty thin. Bring it in. Up. Front. Front. Just about there. That should be fine. Let's call it lamp. Okay, front. That's good. Make it a little thicker, actually. Yeah, that's good. Validate. That's all gonna be one big piece. So simple merge. That's fine. Then let's see. So we need like an outer shell with like 4 entry points. So what we can do is another cylinder. Yeah, cylinder. All right. With a hole. Make this one pretty big. Go to the front. Up. But really thin like this. Yeah, front should be like right in the middle here or the top. Yeah, no, okay, that's good. Then press enter. Now we can do another cylinder, of course. But this one super thin, super small. Up here, snap 90. All right, for the top, yeah, make it small like oh, top, make it small, go down. Make it thinner like that. All right. Go to your side. That's not terrible. Left again. Left. All right. So right here. All right, perfect. Then validate, and we're gonna copy this multiple times. Duplicate. Like that, yeah. Top. And we're just gonna move this around. It's not gonna be perfect, but we're gonna get there. Okay, and then again, duplicate this again. Alright, enough, and then duplicate this one. Then just move it here. All right, it's all covered up, nice. These four, simple merge, all right, nice. And then light bulb. So light bulb we can do simple with a lathe. So let's do front, because that is always much simpler. Okay, but front, right? Validate, and that'll be your light bulb. Let's move that. Top. It's lined up. All right, doesn't get out of there. That's cool. All right, that's our big light bulb, and then we're gonna do like the thin fabric on the side. So like that's why we attach this like ring and these four little prongs. So let's do that, and you can actually do that really simple with a cylinder. So cylinder hole. Make that super thin, of course. Go up like this. Just maybe expand it a little bit out. Okay. Validate. See, now you have front a nice lamp. So the scene. Cool, isn't it? All right. So I'm not gonna name all of this because I'm really feeling a little lazy today, but there's your lamp. Hope you like it. Next thing is I'm just gonna UV unwrap, and then it should be available for download if you want to use it. So best of luck there. Yeah, if you just want to stick around for me to do that. All right, so we gonna have to UV unwrap everything. All right, so select that one. UV unwrap. UV unwrap. Some parts are going to take longer than others, unfortunately, and that is quite normal. UV unwrap. All that might take a little bit, I guess. All right, sorry about that. That just took quite a bit. Then last two parts. UV unwrap. Oh, take that off. All right. Oh, make it visible, I mean. And then UV unwrap. All right. There you have it. Your lamp is fully UV unwrapped and ready to put in wherever you like, Blender or other modeling software. So hope you like it and hope it helps.